Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the 2016 Nissan Altima SV. Again, I just want to show you 112,677 on the miles. AM, FM, XM, Bluetooth, hands-free calling and audio. Radio works. Climate control, of course, down here, and your wonderful plugins here. I want to go ahead and drive this vehicle for you so that way you can get a great sense for it. I'll go over and pull over here, do a 360 turn. Of course, if you have any questions, 219-327-4200 or Pmcars.Shop. New brakes and rotors working great. And I hope you all enjoyed that video. Have a fantastic day.